Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy Dutch braided bun hairstyle. To start, we're going to take a chunk of hair from the top of the head and divide this into 3 equal sections, and we're just going to do a regular Dutch braid. So we're going to cross the left strand under the middle and then the right strand under the middle. Next, we're going to take a slice of hair from the left hand side and we're going to add it to that left hand strand. Then cross the left hand strand under the middle strand, and we're going to just repeat this on the opposite side. So take a slice of hair from the right hand side, add it to the right hand strand and then cross it under the middle. So I'll show you one more time. Take a slice of hair from the left hand side, add it to the left hand strand and cross it under the middle, and then do the same on the opposite side. So take a slice of hair from the right hand side, add it to the right hand strand and cross it under the middle. Carry on braiding this way all the way to the bottom of the hair, and then just tie everything off with a clear elastic band. Add some texture spray to that braid. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then gently pinch and pull at the edge of each loop of that braid to make it nice and voluminous. Now we're going to make a hole behind that braid and slip a couple of fingers through. Then take the end of the braid and pass them to your fingers, and we're going to pull them all the way through that hole. Keep pulling on the braid until it sits opposite the middle braid on the left hand side. And then we're going to bring the right hand side of that braid around the edge of the bun and just tuck it underneath so you can't see the ends. Then secure the bun all the way around the outside using as many bobby pins as needed. Now just spend a minute or two pinching and pulling at every loop and twist of the hairstyle. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.